in this climate. Neither are the moisturizers, because they cause the hair to feel brittle and makes it unmanageable, difficult to comb through. This feeling doesn't occur in Louisiana, where you're from. The hair doesn't feel anything like this. It's soft, it's moist, and it's more manageable. But you have already begun to experience dead ends, is what this climate does, that I do not believe happens in high humidity, just like with the plant life, right? So this sign here shows that you already have suffered breakage and deadness on the ends because of the climate that you've now come into. At this point, we've shampooed you. I'm now silk pressing you. But I like to always show what the shampoo tap water combination is not doing. And I shampooed you 3 times, and I used a brush. Yet, we still have all of this buildup down here at the surface. And now it's not here, but we still have traces that's suffocating your follicle. That's what the white visual is around your hair shafts. But here in this area, which must be an indentation of your head, your sweat is building and collecting more so. So I'm not sure, but do you tend to itch here? No? Okay.
I don't believe so, but it's been a minute.
Just do me a favor and shake your head like hard. Ooh, 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 ooh! Do it again. No, you something. Cause look, I got Jesus with me. Say hi. Shoot.
What's going on?
Woo! Ooh, they gonna be hating. You go on with your bad self, Jesus. Now you a holistic Jesus. Along the course of my career, I've set out to find a different way. I've looked at things like, why does our hair grow so slow? Why do we have these flakes? Why does our scalp itch? And with all of that, I have found a new approach that is really making a difference and allowing us to experience a different type of hair care for your hair. Now, I'll be honest with you. I've already mastered my approach from behind the chair, but that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to offer you an amazing opportunity. An opportunity to not only maximize your earning potential, but also increase your clientele base by learning how to administer a holistic scalp detox from behind your chair. Let me tell you why you want to take this training. Not only does holistic scalp detoxing provide an amazing massage to the client that not only increases blood flow to the surface, but we all know that this is the catalyst to hair growth, but you're also going to kill 2 birds with 1 stone by lifting any dandruff, aka psoriasis, that may be on the surface. This is going to minimize your client's hair loss, which is a win-win for everyone involved. For 2 hours of your time, you're going to learn a holistic scalp detox, which is not only going to help you know and understand what it is, but it also is going to help you to understand why it builds and what to do to minimize it and manage it. So I encourage you to register today.